Hello everyone. So hopefully you guys are expecting some positive result and you are now preparing for mains 2020. During this time of coronavirus, this COVID pandemic, we at Raj IAS are trying to help the students to the maximum possible extent. And continuing this spirit of helping the students, we are coming up with a free course for mains which we are starting from 12th of October. It is going to be a 40 days course in which we will try to help you to the maximum possible extent with a very rational and a scientific plan. Now to know the details, let's meet Akash sir and Anuj sir. So Akash sir and Anuj sir, this new initiative that is basically the child of your mind. So how you are going to help students with it?
Okay, so sir, we analyzed the paper of past 2-3 years, and we analyzed a pattern in the UPSC mains examination that UPSC asks a lot of questions in the mains examination from current affairs. However, they do not ask standalone topics or standalone events. They ask events in a very general linkage with the static portion. So, like for example, last year there was a lot of debate going between communalization and secularism. So they asked a question in social issues paper, that is general studies paper 1, upon secularization and destabilization of the country. So now what we have crafted in this course is that we are going to link the current affairs and the events with all the possible static linkages. Like for example, this year there is a lot of debate going on about freedom of speech related to media. So media is a hotshot topic. So how we are going to cover it in the class? Like for example, we'll associate media not with just one dimension, say paper 2 polity, that is freedom of speech and expression, but we will extrapolate media to all the possible dimensions in the course. Like for example, media's role in social issues and social harmony, GS paper 1. Freedom of speech and expression, that is GS paper 2. Then yes, pillar of democracy, the fourth pillar of democracy, media is the fourth pillar of democracy, has already been asked, and we are also again going to cover it certainly. Then in general studies paper 3, internal security and the role of media is there.
That's very
and
important.
Ethics is one of the hotshot areas where we are expecting a question on media ethics. So like this, we will be extrapolating each possible area of the current affair with the static syllabus.
And we can also have an essay on media.
Yes, essay is very much expected. Yes, certainly.
The role of media in democracy, perhaps something like this.
Definitely.
Anu sir, what exactly is the plan for these 40 days? Like what we are doing?
So for these 40 days, we will be starting with certain important portions. Like Akash sir will be starting with society. So what we have done is that we have segregated certain themes which are important for this year's mains examination. So we'll not be covering the subject specific, but we'll be covering in a thematic basis as UPSC demands or as UPSC expects that the aspirant should have an interdisciplinary approach.
Great.
So we'll be covering those thematic topics and along with in a question answer format, and we'll be providing to the aspirants and to the students with flowcharts so that it is easier for them to answer in exam and it is easier for them to get more marks.
Right. So we will be trying to help create an awareness among the students that what are the important topics that must be covered. And sir, Akash sir, what are sources you have referred to?
Sir, for the topics we have referred to myriad of sources. Like it's a very broad basket of sources. It includes daily journals such as Hindu, Indian Express is there, Business Line is there. So the newspapers are certainly there. Then we have magazine like Yojana, Kurukshetra, EPW. All right, and apart from this, the big picture debate of Rajya Sabha. All these sources have been taken into account so that we do not leave out something that might be asked in the paper. So it's a wide gamut of resources that we are referring to.
So it's quite wholesome kind of a like course
Definitely.
that we are planning.
Definitely.
So students, get ready. It is something that is coming free your way. Grab it. Don't forget that this can be a game changer for 2020 mains. And then hopefully we all will be talking again for your interview guidance program, which again will be very innovative this year in Chandigarh. Something very different as compared to Delhi. So best of luck. God bless you all.
All the best.